From here to here is 41 inches including seam allowance, and from here to here is 30 inches folded into 2, as you can see. Now from the folded edge here, I'm going to measure 8 inches inward and notch. And from the open edge here, I'm going to measure 9 inches inward and notch as well. So after notching, I'm going to fold diagonally like this. Just watch me as I'm doing that. And after folding, I'm going to cut from here to here, just like this. I'm done cutting, as you can see. I'll usually place this one on the second one like this. This is the front part, which is the folded edge, and this is the back part, which is the open edge. So I'll now come to the bottom part of it, measure 5 inches inward and upward and connect like so. After connecting, I'm going to cut it off. You can make yours 3 or 4 inches, depends on how you want it. From the upper part here, I'm going to measure 1.5 inches downward for my rope casing. And I'm going to roll it out like so. So after that, on this line, I'm going to measure out half of my back measurement, which is 7.5 inches. Plus ½ inch seam allowance. And then from this side, I'm going to measure out half of my round armhole. So I'm going to do the same thing here just to make it accurate, and I'm going to roll it out. So what I have on my shoulder line, I'm going to measure it out here, which is half of my back measurement plus ½ inch. So I'm connecting like so for my armhole line, and this is my chest line. I'll go ahead and cover out my armhole curve like so and cut it off. Just like this. Having done that, I'm going to remove all the pin and separate the back from the front. This is my front part, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and double fold my armhole just like this and give it a tiny stitch. I'm doing the same thing here. Double fold and give it tiny stitch. I'm doing the same thing on the back part. After doing that, I'm going to fold my casing like this, my rope casing of 1.5 inch, and stitch. So I'm placing my back on each other like this. Let the right side face each other and measure about 5 to 6 inches from this line downward. So from here till the down part, I'm going to stitch with 1 inch. I'm done stitching all that I explained, the armhole line and the back, center back part. I'm going to open my back like so, double fold this place like this and hem it from here till I reach here before I stitch my rope casing. I'm done stitching all that I explained. This is my front part. So, and this is my back part, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and place my front on the back part like so for me to stitch both sides. Let the right side face each other and stitch both sides from the armpit to the down part like so. After doing that, I'm going to hem the bottom of my dress with 1 inch. I'm done stitching all that I explained. Here's my down part. I've already hemmed it. I'm turning to the right side. Here's the right side of my dress, as you can see. And I have my rope cut out as well. Here is it. I have 2 inches for the length and 60 inches for the width for my rope. So I'll go ahead and fold it like so. Firstly, fold both edges like so and fold into 2 like this. And I'm going to run a stitch from here till I reach the second edge. I'm done with the rope. As you can see, I'm using my safety pin to insert it through my rope casing, just like so. Having done that, I'm going to go ahead, give it a good press and show you the finishing look of it.